Alrighty, y'all. So today we're gonna be making buffalo wings and fries using my Bella Pro Series air fryer. Of course, you're gonna need some seasoning, so get all the seasoning you like and your favorite brand of fries. I just love the air fryer because it is so simple and fast. It's crazy. But of course, you're gonna need some wings, and I just like to cut that part off of the wings because I just don't like it. Alright, so yeah, this part right here, it has to go. Put that off to the side because it's going to be going to the trash. And so just cut your wings. And then I just get a toothpick because this is how the seasoning is really going to seep into it. You don't want no bland chicken. You want the seasoning to go inside of the chicken and not just really on the skin. So go ahead and poke them all, and then after that put them in a container, something with a lid if you have. Alright, and now it's time for the most important part, making sure everything gets seasoned well. So get all your favorite seasonings and make sure every piece gets good enough amount. Be generous too, okay? Use what you have or go out and get some. This is cayenne pepper. You need some cayenne pepper for that nice good spice and flavor. I like spicy food. I know it's looking like some salty sodium high chicken, but it's actually going to all work out, okay? I'm telling you, some paprika, some Cajun seasoning as well. This is really good. I like how this tastes. And just a little bit of sprinkles of lemon pepper. Shake it up real good. You want every single piece and part to get the same amount. So give these chicken wings a headache. Alright, you see, it looks like they all got the same amount. I want to add some parsley. You know, some people say that you could just put parsley at the end, but you could actually use parsley throughout your whole entire cooking experience. So do that and shake it up again, and then put it in the refrigerator for about a good 10 to 15 minutes as you go ahead and heat up your air fryer. I love this Bella Pro Series air fryer. It really does everything. It's amazing how many different things you can make using your air fryer. Really. So as you can see, I just go ahead and put it on the highest level. I'm not even gonna say put it on 275, 315. Put that thing on the highest level because you want these to be finished fast. Okay, we don't have time to waste over here. So put that air fryer on the highest level possible. Spray that oil on there or put that oil in there, and then make sure that every piece gets their own space. You don't want everything to be next to each other or on top of each other. Make sure everything is nice and spread out. You can use another toothpick, fork, whatever you got handy. Just make sure that everybody gets their respect. Now you do want to make sure that you're aware of the time, unlike we're aware of the degrees. That's on high. You want to put the chicken in there for about 15 minutes and just flip it over as you see fit. But now it's time to make the sauce for the buffalo wings. You just want to melt some butter, and I actually like Smart Balance, even though this is not Smart Balance. That's my favorite butter. But melt it, and then look at the chicken, looking really good. This air fryer is amazing. Get your favorite hot sauce. I'll tell you, Frank's Red Hot is my fave. If you guys have a lemon handy, now is the perfect time to squeeze just a little bit of lemon juice in there. Don't put no lemon water in here or nothing like that, just a little bit of lemon juice. And add the hot sauce to your liking. I like my wings to be a little spicy. I need my nose to run just a little bit. And Frank's Red Hot is my fave. You see that steam? Listen, I'm telling you, air fryers are the way to go. If you have an air fryer, tell me what brand you have, because this Bella Pro Series, I mean, so good. Now it's time to put your fries in, which is only going to take 12 minutes because you know I keep the air fryer on high. So 12 minutes is more than enough. and they come out looking so good. Here's the finished product. I tell you, I can't make this thing up. Bella Pro Series or any air fryer, they're really the way to go, and wings are the thing to make. Let me know if you try this. I might have to try something new.